Morning. How are you doing?
All right. Nice to have you join us on the discussion this morning. Now, let me start with you, Mr. Lamidi Apapa.
Please go ahead.
Following the Supreme Court judgment, Labour Party seem to now have a lot of factions. And just yesterday, you came up and said you are the acting national chairman. Some persons say you impose yourself on the party. I wonder, where did you derive your powers from to now say you are the acting national chairman leading the third faction of Labour Party, so to say?
Thank you so much. At the beginning of your comments, I learned that you said I've disappeared for some time.
Okay.
I didn't disappear. We'll be going from one court to the other. This fight started from the federal court to the appeal court, now to the Supreme Court. But as somebody who believes in the rule of law, once a court has ruled that so person should be there, you don't need to talk again on that until another court decides otherwise. I've been struggling over the issue of this court. You remember the one that happened at the appeal court the other time? It was a court that suspended Aburi, restrained Aburi. And that time, this same set of people that are now opposing Aburi, they were the ones that are giving Aburi protection. I told them that time, when a court has ruled, asking somebody to restraining somebody from playing the role of a national officer, the best is to force him or compel him to step aside. You cannot be a judge in your own matter. But that time, they were protecting him for reasons best known to them, including the NSC. Now, since that time, when he now went to appeal court, the appeal court lifted the ban that he should be regarded as the chairman of the party. I move ahead to the Supreme Court because I didn't want to make comments on what court has said. We moved right now. I still have another case at the Supreme Court. Right now, I have another case at the Supreme Court. For you to know that, not that I'm quiet, but for somebody who believes in the rule of law, you have to wait for court to decide. But because this particular one has almost settled all the demands, that's why you see me coming up at this level. Now you say, where do I derive my authority?
Exactly.
Because that's the question now.
Because you're a member of the NWC.
Yes.
So if Aburi is out, you're also out, is that not?
So the judgment of the Supreme Court is not talking about the National Working Committee. He's talking about Aburi in particular, not the entire National Working Committee. It's not the entire National Committee. If Mr. A commits an offense, that does not affect all the entire team because he has his own name and everybody fill his own form for a particular position, not the issue of an issue that affects A, affects all. No, it's not like that. Then coming to where I derive my authority. When this Supreme Court judgment was given, and what is clear there is that Supreme Court said leadership matter cannot be decided by the court. That the party leadership should go back home and go through their conscience and apply it. Ordinarily, we should expect somebody like Peter Obi, who is the principal of the party, to call a meeting. Another leaders of the party. But already we decided they have taken already. He has his own group already, where Nanadi was choosing to be the caretaker chairman. So such a person cannot handle an issue like that.
So you took this decision solely?
I'm coming to that. The same thing Aburi, who has been on this issue, and court said, now your protection is gone. Now is now naked. If Aburi is now naked, and the party must go on, are we to close down the office when everybody is laying claim to the leadership? Now, I will read out the constitution of the party.
Please do.
Very quickly. And that is what I quoted in my speech. Article 14, 2B of the Labour Party constitutions. Let me start from A and B. The deputy national chairman shall assist the national chairman in the discharge of his duties. That's A. The B. A deputy national chairman shall act in the absence of the national chairman and shall, in the absence of the national chairman, preside over the meetings of the party. It's automatic order. It's an automatic authority.
Well, Mr.